So good evening, ma'am. Today I will gonna be telling you the things that I've learned about the topic called internet safety and ethical ICT use. So there are three parts of this, which is the first one is ensuring online safety in educational settings. Then second one, cybersecurity awareness for educators. Then third one, ethical consideration and education. So I'm gonna start with the first one, which is the ensuring online safety in educational settings. So I learned that the importance of protecting both students, staff in a digital platform. So, as it said dun sa short summary ko kung ano natutunan ko. Natutunan ko po ang importance of protecting both students and staff natin sabihin natin sa school or trabaho or in my case naman po, students, since mostly nasa school ako and mostly lahat naman po ng staff sa school po natin is well aware kung ano yung mga nagaganap sa social media and things, di ba? So, students, karamihan kasi yun, maraming napapariwara sa FB, maraming nadadala sa mga false information called as fake news, di ba? So, ayun po na yung natutunan ko po na importance of protecting them. So, yung way po ng pagpaprotect ko po sa kanila is letting them know kung tama po ba yung ginagawa nila or mali na po. So, ginagay ko po sila kung paano po talaga yung right way para gumamit ng social media para po di sila mapahamak. So, that's for the second one, cybersecurity awareness for educators. So, ayun na, cybersecurity. So, sabi dito, cybersecurity awareness for educators. So, cybersecurity for educators kasi mostly lahat ng educators kumpiyansa na silang, hindi naman po lahat, mga ibang educators kumpiyansa na silang secure ako, hindi ako mahahack kesyo ganyan. Pero in most reality po kasi kahit anong sabi mong mahigpit yung security mo sa iyong account or any kinds of devices that needs password to be accessed. As technology advance po kasi, hackers as well po nag-a-advance po sila. Actually, way more advanced po ang mga hackers as we speak. Kasi kung tutusin, kaya po nila i-hack all types of security. Kaya lang po talagang medyo low-key lang po sila. Low-key, naglalaylo po sila. Since madali po sila matrace yung mga nangako unless internationally po sila. So, ayun na. Kaya important din po ang cybersecurity for educators para maano din po nila, ma-secure din po nila yung mga sarili po nila. Hindi po sila mapahamak. Hindi po sila mapahamak, ma-hack or any other else na mag-result po ng harm sa kanila. So, for the third one po, ethical consideration and education. So, as I said in my short summary here, teaching responsibilities, use of technology, respecting privacy, avoiding plagiarism, providing digital product inclusivity, and addressing cyberbullying. So, when we say ethical consideration, in my opinion, in education, that means responsibilities use of technology and respecting privacy, avoiding plagiarism, promoting digital inclusivity, and addressing cyberbullying. So, yun, pinaka-popular po ang cyberbullying sa number one problem in all social media platforms. So, kailangan po may address po natin siya maigi and ma-resolve din po. Pero, for me po kasi, alam naman po natin kung gaano kalaki and gaano kalawak ang social media platforms. It contains billions of people within it. So, it's nearly impossible po kasi talaga na makontrol po lahat ng tao, no? And let's say this might be a vulgar word, pero marami po talagang mga nonsensical na tao, mga low intellect, sabihin po natin hindi po sila tatatakot or anything else unless talagang mapatikim po sila ng consequence. So, ayun po, no? And ayun po, as simple as respecting privacy. Siyempre, lahat naman po tayo may rights of privacy, di ba? So, ayun po. Avoiding plagiarism. So, that goes without saying naman na po siguro. Kasi, plagiarism, hindi mo kailangan magnakaw ng gawa ng iba para lang masabi nating magaling ka and gawa mo din ito. So no, kasi pinaghihirapan po siya ng ibang tao at hindi po natin alam ang mga pinagdadaanan po nila. So ayan, providing digital inclusivity. When we say digital inclusivity, ito po yung pangkabuuan, wala pong barrier or anything else, which is pangkalahatan po talaga. Wala pong kesyo bawal kang ganito kasi ganyan ka, kesyo bawal ganito kasi ganun ka. Walang ganon. It's free for everyone. So walang limits, walang bawal, walang anything else na restricted. You are free and lahat po tayo merong rights po sa ganun. Promoting digital inclusivity, wala pong barrier. Lahat po merong kalayaan na gumamit ng digital. Kasi as we speak, as I said kanina po, nag-advance po ang technology. So yan po, hindi po may iwasang gumamit ng digital para makasabay po sa current trends and mga current learning ways po. So yun po, no, as far as I said those things, ayun po yung mga natutunan ko so far sa topic na internet safety and ethical ICT use. So thank you, ma'am, and get well soon. Bye bye.